Hey, it's Matt, and we're going to talk today about what the best closers are doing that other people selling are simply not doing. What elevates those people to become the best and close a whole lot of deals. Let's get it. Hey, I'm Matt Wolach. I help software leaders understand how to close a crazy amount of demos so that they can get a great revenue, great valuation, great commission, whatever you're seeking. Let's make sure that it is top notch, it's top level. If you want to do those things, hit the subscribe button. That way you'll get all of my best info, my formulas, my tips, and ways to close a whole lot of deals. Now, today we're talking about what the top closers do that other people simply are not doing. And it's really important to understand this because if you're wanting to be a top closer, you might as well model those who are achieving those results. So today we're going to talk about 3 things that top closers do that other people do not do. Number 1, the top closers track everything relentlessly, and they do not give up. Top closers track it all. They know exactly where all their leads are coming from. They know how many leads they're getting. They know how many leads they've converted to demos. They know how many demos they're doing. And they even look at close rates by segment, whether that's ICP segment, geography, lead source. Looking at those different close rates helps you understand what you need to fix. In fact, tracking all of your metrics helps you know what to adjust, what to manage, and how to make sure you get the best possible results. If you're not tracking something, you can't manage it, you can't improve it, and you can't make it better. So start tracking. If you don't know what to track or how to track it, check out my spreadsheet. I've got a great spreadsheet. It's going to be linked down below. Hit that link, and that way you'll be able to download this. It's totally free. You get that spreadsheet, you can start tracking everything. Lots of sales leaders around the world are using this. I know that because several of my clients use it and I've given it out before. So there are thousands of software companies using this spreadsheet to track all of their metrics. Grab it yourself. Okay, so far so good. Now, if you like this stuff, hit the like down below. That tells me this is important, this is helpful for you, and I'll create more stuff like it. Also, if you have any comments or questions, hit that down below, put that in. I'll be answering those for you as well. Okay, number 2, what do master closers do better than anybody else? They follow a process. If you do not have a sales process, if you do not have a closing process, start getting one right now. A process is going to make it so easy to follow so you know exactly what to do in every scenario and at every step of the way. You'll never guess, what am I going to do here? How am I going to do that? You'll have something that you'll be able to follow the entire time. A process is really helpful, but sometimes people don't know what process to use or what to do. Well, I've created a process called the perfect deal process that helps me get a 63% close rate for my entire team in my first SaaS company. And in fact, my company now has an 81% close rate. Also, one of my clients, Paul, went from a 26% to an 87% close rate using this exact process. Another one of my clients, Mike, went from 19% to 71% using this exact process. Again, it's called the perfect deal process. If you want a walkthrough of how it works, check out this video here. That's going to take you through all of it step by step so you can implement a process that starts closing deals. Okay, we've got 2 down, 1 more to go. Now, again, make sure you like this. That shows me it's good, but it also helps other people see this video so that they know they need to see it and get help too. Okay, the last one that the best closers are doing that other people simply are not doing is the best closers know how to stay even keeled. They do not get emotional. And it's really important to not get emotional. That's both negative emotion and 2 positive emotions. Now, it's okay to have good positive emotions. You want to be confident in what you're doing. But if we get too overconfident, things get bad. A lot of people ask, well, why is that? How is that a problem? Well, because once we start getting overconfident, let's say your buyer is giving you great buying signals and they're telling you, we want this, it's going to be great. Well, what we do naturally is we stop going through all the steps. We stop hitting every piece of the process that we need to hit because we think, oh, they're going to buy it. We don't need to do this. We don't need to do that. It's fine. And that's a problem. When that happens, either they don't feel as much emotion as they should, they don't get to where they need to be, and they don't ever buy, or maybe they don't even buy quickly enough. So if you want fast closes, if you want a lot of closes, continue to do the process, even if your buyer gets really excited. Don't get too over emotional. And of course, we don't want to get negatively emotioned. We don't want to start feeling bad or feel like we made a mistake. It's going to just lead to us making more mistakes, losing confidence, a really bad scenario. So don't get too high, don't get too low. The best closers, they are staying even keeled through the entire process and making sure they hit every step of the formula. Hey, I hope this helped. Once again, make sure you're subscribed. I'm gonna give you lots of stuff every week so you know exactly what to do so you can close a whole lot of deals. My name's Matt. I'll see you next time. Take care.